Welcome to the Amplus Forms online training. During this module we will teach you about the auto number field and discuss how to manage its unique properties when creating a form. Please take a look at the module 1A Common Properties for instruction on the common properties associated with fields. The auto number field type allows a unique auto number sequence to be generated using your own custom format. It is ideal for scenarios where a team of users is completing jobs or tasks out in the field, or where a unique company-wide purchase orders, invoices or tracking numbers are required. Basically, a global format counter increments per form from multiple devices or users. This is a superior alternative to other methods of generating unique values, like trying to base new values off values from a data source, which is not recommended. AutoNum is unsuitable for a variety of scenarios, such as only being unique for each form, and it's important you understand the differences. You can read our knowledge base article to ensure you are using it correctly. So to find our knowledge base, you go to your home page by clicking here. Then, just underneath our complete tasks, you will see support, tutorials, reference, documents and web links. Then below there you will see our knowledge base. Now by clicking here, it will take you to our knowledge base web page. Here in our knowledge base you can see there are lots of different areas you can go to. Getting started, form screens, form recipes, form connectors. And if I scroll down, you will see more and more are there. And this is updated on a regular basis. And the good thing about this is here we could type in a search for AutoNum. And you can see there, if I press, I will get the auto numbering field type and some more added information that you may want to use. Note, auto num fields must be in the first page of a form and cannot be inside repeating tables or repeating pages. So when you add an auto num from the advanced fields, as we'll do here, and we'll just put it just below our section field so we can see it, we give it a unique data name, so we're going to call this auto underscore number, and for the benefit, as we've been doing, we will just say auto dash num, and we'll make it bold. You could put a hint text if needed. Below the hint text you will see the property number format. Here we can define the format of this automatic number sequence by using a template syntax. Your format must include exclamation num exclamation, which you can see is the default value when you place this field onto your screen. Let's have a look at some examples. So for instance, we could in here put a dash ORD space generates, and then we could do a space 0001 dash ORD, where ORD is the added suffix. Now we could also put here and change this to do PO dash curly bracket category curly bracket dash, and then our exclamation NUM exclamation. So here's our formula. You will see the little hammer in the top right of the property box. By clicking here you will open what we call the formula builder, where you will find it helpful to insert a field and insert a function. The drop down menus, as you can see here and here, will assist you with formula building. Now the formula builder can be seen in a separate module called Formula Builder. The next property is generate on upload. Now by default, auto numbers are generated at the time the form is opened. A user must have internet connection for the form to receive the next number. Now by clicking here, this option changes auto number behavior to generate only when the form entry hits the server, thus enabling this form to be used in offline scenarios. Now note, using this option means that the auto number value will only be populated on our web portal, as well as in the PDF and the other connector outputs. There are advantages and disadvantages to each method, so please consider carefully whether to use Generate on Upload. When not using Generate on Upload, the device will query the server for an auto number whenever the page is opened, and before allowing the user to continue on to other pages or submit the form. If no network connection is present, the user can optionally save the form as a draft and return to finish when connection can be established. Now, whenever the user leaves and returns to the form, for this or any other reason, the number will increment and will be one higher than the previous unique number provided by the server. As a result, there may be gaps in the generated number sequence due to the previous numbers having been generated but not included with an upload. So next, we're going to look at the sequency padding. This is the minimum length of sequential portion for the automatic number. Zeros are added on the left hand side, so if the sequence is less than the padding value, for example if the padding value is set to 4 here, then a sequence value of 2 results in num being output as 0002. Now below the sequence padding is field layout. Here you can specify how the field is shown on the screen. Here I prefer to use horizontal, but for more on the field layout and background color, please see module 1A, Basic Properties, Common Features. Now below there you can see advanced options. Please see AutoNum Part 2 for more on all the advanced options. Of course, the best way for you to learn is by doing so. We encourage you to create a new screen or form, add fields and play with the properties within them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to email support@amplusforms.com.